Welcome back to our mind-blowing nutrition extravaganza. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been shaking up the world of health and wellness, the captivating world of lectins. Brace yourself for an adventure that will leave you hungry for knowledge and maybe even a little hungry for some delicious plant-based goodness. But before we jump in, let's get a disclaimer dance going. The information we're about to unleash is purely for educational and informational purposes. We're not replacing your doctor, nutritionist, or superhero, so consult your trusted health professionals before making any dietary leaps. Now, let's dig deep into the mystery of lectins. Are they our loyal friends or sneaky foes? It's time to unravel the truth. Detecting the lectins. Hold on to your taste buds because lectins, also known as hemagglutinins, are mysterious, carbohydrate-binding proteins found in various plants. Picture them as little carb choosers in the plant world. They've got the superpower to selectively bind to specific carbohydrate moieties on cell surfaces. Oh, they're like matchmakers, but for plants and carbs. Their name lectin comes from the Latin word legere, meaning to select or choose. Now that's some serious choosing power. Where in the world are they? Lectins are the James Bonds of the plant kingdom, stealthily hiding in many plant-based foods. From beans to grains, veggies, nuts, and fruits, they're everywhere. But wait, here's where it gets even more exciting. Each plant has its own captivating lectin story to tell. Brace yourself for the revelation. Legumes like beans and chickpeas take center stage as the rock stars of lectins, showcasing impressive levels of these enigmatic proteins. On the other hand, let's not forget the nightshade family, home to the stealthy tomatoes and eggplants. They've got their own mysterious twist, with much lower levels of these cunning lectins. The sciencey stuff. Hold your lab coats, because here comes the science. Lectins play a pivotal role in protecting plants during their early stages of growth. But, like any good spy, they can have their dark side too. Some lectins might cause tummy troubles or inflammation when not prepared properly. Beans and soybeans, watch out. Uninvited guests may crash your digestive party. How to outsmart lectins. Ready to outsmart these sneaky lectins? Here's how. Let's dive into the kitchen spy lab. Soak 'em up. Overnight soaking of beans and legumes is like sending them to a spa retreat. Enzyme inhibitors and lectins are washed away, leaving you with reduced lectin worries. Let's germinate. When seeds and nuts sprout, they activate beneficial enzymes that break down lectins. Say hello to more digestible and nutritious nibbles. Blast them with pressure. Pressure cooking is like using a top-secret weapon against lectins. It can zap those pesky proteins effectively. However, it is important to note that not all cooking methods are equally effective at eliminating lectins. While pressure cooking is indeed beneficial, slow cooking may not be as efficient in reducing lectins. Raw beans simmered at low heat, such as in a slow cooker or undercooking, the beans will not remove all the lectins. Cooking using dry heat, such as toasting or roasting, is also less effective at breaking down lectins than boiling. Ferment the fun. Fermented foods like tempeh, miso, and kimchi get a thumbs up from our spy agency. They can break down lectins, making them easier on your tummy. But hold your kimchi-loving horses, because not all fermented foods are equal when it comes to battling those pesky lectins. Sauerkraut also carries its charm, but it lacks the same potent bacteria and yeasts found in kimchi. So, while sauerkraut is tasty and low in lectins on its own, it might not be the most efficient at taking down those sneaky protein foes. But hold on, don't let that stop you. Cabbage itself is relatively low in lectins, so sauerkraut still brings some healthy crunch to the table. Unlocking the potential. Hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. Lectins have hidden superpowers too. They're showing promise in cancer treatment, targeting those nasty cancer cells like true superheroes. But, hold your horses, more research is needed before we make them official Avengers. Balance is the key. It's all about balance, folks. Don't let the hype overshadow the goodness of a whole food, plant-based diet. It's a ticket to a healthier life, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart issues, cancer, and diabetes. Let's keep it diverse. Variety is the spice of life. Mix it up with a smorgasbord of plant-based goodies. Rotate your choices like a culinary carousel, and you'll minimize your lectin rendezvous. Listen to your body. Your body's got a secret language, it's time to crack the code. If you sense any discomfort after a plant-based rendezvous, adjust your choices or preparation methods like a culinary connoisseur. Expert spice support. When in doubt, call in the experts. Registered dietitians and nutrition gurus are like your personal plant-based James Bonds. They'll guide you through your delicious journey. If this epic nutrition adventure blew your mind, hit that thumbs up button and share this intel with your friends. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep exploring the mysteries of nutrition with us. Until our next rendezvous, take care and happy eating.